Hi guys, this is me Kanak Tiwari and welcome back to my channel. So today's topic for this video is how to start your own Bookstagram journey like many of us like me. I started my journey a year ago and it has been not always a bliss but a bliss in disguise and something that you find on the way of finding something another. That was for me. Now here are some tips and some learning that I felt in a year of this journey that maybe help you and find you your own bookstagram journey. Let's go. Before starting all those tips and all those things that I want to say to you all, I want you all to start this journey for the love of your books, for the love that you share for reading, for the love that you feel for reading and books. Not because you thought that I would get paid for these book reviews, I will get free books, I will get PR boxes, या फिर आपके किसी दोस्त ने स्टार्ट करा हो and you want to start it because you want to compete with them, or you felt that ki, oh, I will just get fame out of it, I will get, famous from it. Please stop. Numbers don't define your content, first of all. The second thing is, when you start something for the love of it, it will make you feel good when you post it, not compete with others. You will, if you are going to compete with others or you're going to, think about numbers all the time, every content you will post, you will not be satisfied with it. You will feel that ki, oh, it's just a 1k views, just 10k views, just 50k views. Even if you get a lot of views than others, you will feel that you are lacking behind because you are competing with someone who is just so famous and so consistent than you. Okay? So start for the love of it, not because of books, free PR boxes, anything. Start for the love of it. Understood? Now, let's start with the first point, which is consistency. अब ये तो तुमको हर कोई बताएगा कि be consistent on social media, be consistent. I'm not saying that be consistent with only posting. I'm saying that be consistent with your ideas, with your drafts, with your thoughts about your account. For example, that today I posted something like a lyrics type video with had a caption on it. Simple सी video है. Tomorrow I will think to make something new. अगर वो नहीं चला तो मेरा कंसिस्टेंसी मेरे थॉट प्रोसेस में होना चाहिए कि मुझे कुछ नया बनाना है, कुछ नया बनाना है. दैट्स व्हाट मैटर्स एंड दैट्स व्हाट मेक यू शो टू द पब्लिशर्स, टू द ऑथर्स हु आर आउट देयर. क्योंकि अगर तुम्हारा कोई ऐसा वैल्यू कंटेंट नहीं रहेगा, if you're not known for certain type of things, then how will you going to make other people recognize you? Your content is your recognition, and that should be consistently. And this thought process leads us to being original. Okay, this is going to be a little controversial thing, but I want you all, whoever is watching this video, please don't copy other creators. Keep it as a mantra. Don't copy other creators. It will going to harm your brand, your social media, and your circle too, and your audience. Okay, don't copy others. And I'm not saying कि तुमको अगर कोई आइडिया आया और तुमसे पहले किसी और ने कर लिया तो तुम उस आइडिया को इम्प्लीमेंट करो, लेकिन थोड़ा चेंज कर दो. थोड़ा बहुत चेंज करने से भी आप देखोगे कि आपकी ऑडियंस को पता चल जाएगा कि यू आर यूनिक इन दैट. ठीक है, तुमने किसी का कॉपी नहीं करा. दैट व्हाट्स मेक यू डिफरेंट. ओके. अब आप लोग कहोगे कि कनक, हमें तो ये सब अभी आते ही नहीं है ना, हम तो स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं अपनी जर्नी, हाउ विल वी. सो देर इज़ अ थिंग वी से लर्न एंड ग्रो. तो आप सीखो, आप दूसरे क्रिएटर्स को देखो कि वो कैसा कंटेंट बना रहे हैं, कैसा कैमरा एंगल ले रहे हैं, कौन सा सॉन्ग सिलेक्शन कर रहे हैं, बुक को किस तरह से क्रिएटिवली दिखा रहे हैं. आप केराउजल पोस्ट में देखो कि उनका कैसा है, उन्होंने कौन से एलिमेंट्स यूज़ करे हैं कौन सी बुक के लिए और क्यों यूज़ करे हैं. दैट क्यों बिहाइंड इट विल लीव यू इन थिंग्स लाइक कि या अगर ये बुक इस बारे में है तो मैं ये एलिमेंट यूज़ कर सकती हूँ. सो That is what you have to do. That is what learning means. You don't have to copy others. You just think about that, how would the editor would have thought while making this, and then make it for the book that you are reading. That is how you will grow. अब ग्रो से चीज़ें आती हैं कि आप अपनी ऑडियंस को कैसे ग्रैब करोगे. क्रिएट गुड हुक्स इन द इनिशियल 3 सेकेंड. ये तो सबको पता है, ठीक है, ये तो बहुत रील्स है इंस्टाग्राम पे कि कैसे करना है. बट हाउ विल यू मेक देम फॉलो यू. नंबर वन, क्रिएट सीरीज टाइप ऑफ थिंग्स. क्योंकि सीरीज से ना आप एक ट्रस्ट बिल्ड करते हो अपनी ऑडियंस का कि या they are making this, I want to watch this more, so let's follow. That's what the thought of the viewer. Okay, so make a series, or you can start educational content ki how did I make this. That grows so much because everybody wants to learn, everybody wants to grow. That's how you make them learn and grow with yourself. Now the third thing is that कि आप अपनी community build करो. अब ये कैसे होगा. For example, somebody commented on your recommendation reel ki, oh, I didn't like this book much that you recommended. So you have to ask in the comment section what you didn't like. Acha, you didn't like this, okay, you can read this book instead. So it will be a conversation in the comment section that will leave you in like more engagement. First of all, Instagram will push your video forward because the comment section is longer, and it will also help that person gain a trust on you and will follow you probably. बारी आती है कि आपकी नीश क्या होगी. What should I post, like carousels or reels or face reviews, or what would perform well. Well, that is properly based on you. If you are confident in front of camera, or if you want to be confident in front of camera, start making face reviews, start making face reels, start making anything that you like. But if you are very very shy, like you are very underconfident, I would also suggest to start making face reviews so that you will be more in front of camera and your fear will go away. But if you are not ready for it, don't push yourself. Start making edits, like those character edits which we see, they are very popular by the way. Then you can also make carousels. So these were the few of the things that I learned in this 1 year, and I hope you also do. So make a lot of different type of content on Instagram, so you can follow me there and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because the second part of this book will be gonna be how do I receive these many book mails and PR parcels. So तुमको भी चाहिए ना, सब्सक्राइब करके जाना फिर. बाय बाय.